Aloha friends, Jason Profit Moffat here, and in this video, I'm going to show you the scariest crypto scam of 2021. Before we go on, I want to let you know really quickly about a Airdrop Masterclass that my business partner David put together for you. You can get it at getmyfreecrypto.com. It shows you all kinds of places where you can get free cryptocurrencies before these tokens really pop off on the market. They like to sprinkle some of them off into the cryptoverse, and you can grab them. Just go to getmyfreecrypto.com and you can get it right there. Okay, so I'm going to show you this scam that is absolutely incredible. And I say incredible just in the terms of effectiveness. It's not incredible in what is actually happening. People are losing money. I almost sent $5,000 to these scammers myself, and I wanted to make this video to make sure that you never fall for this or anything similar to it as well. The scammers are getting really good out there, whether it's cryptocurrency, whether it's phishing, whether it's a variety of scams on the internet, on your cell phone. They are just incredibly prevalent, and they work so well. Otherwise, these people wouldn't continue to do them. So I'm going to go over to my screen right now, show you this particular scam and how to spot it and how to avoid it. All right, so my buddy sent me a message. He said, hey man, have you seen this CardanoBonus.org thing going on? I'm like, no, I haven't. So he linked me over to this YouTube channel, which this is a screenshot of it right now. And I saw Charles Hoskinson doing a live broadcast off of this channel. And Charles is the creator of Cardano, or the ADA coin. He used to be involved in Ethereum back in the day as well. Super brilliant guy. So I see him doing this live broadcast, and I'm like, oh, this is interesting. And he's basically saying if you send them a minimum of 2,500 ADA, then you'll get 10,000 ADA back. Or if you send 10,000 ADA, you'll get 20,000 back. Essentially, you're going to at least double up your money, right? And so instantly, red flags go off. I'm like, if this is way too good to be true. But as I started looking at this, I'm like, well, Charles is live. I'm like, he wouldn't be lying about this. And then I look down at the bottom left here. It's like Cardano ADA, 185,000 subscribers. I'm like, it looks legit. And I was like, I don't want to miss out on free crypto if they're giving it away. And so I go over to CardanoBonus.com and I see this site. And instantly, as I look at this now, this looks like a Thrive Themes, the new theme updated builder, which is a WordPress theme. Yeah, I'm almost positive this is. So I look through it. It looks really clean, looks really nice. They explain that you send this much ADA in, you're going to get it back. They give you this wallet address to send to. And I'm still like, yeah, I don't know. I read through the FAQs. It all looks legit. And this is where they really did a brilliant job. They start putting these transactions for these address. And if you notice that, it just changed once again. Now, I'm just using the old HTML files. I saved this. This website isn't even up anymore. So they have a script built in here to update these little numbers to, boom, it just updated again. So it makes it look like, oh my gosh, people are sending ADA in and they're getting it back out. I'm like, this is brilliant. I gotta do this. And there's just a ton of them in here. It's super smart. There's I believe there was a scarcity limit too, that they were only giving away, this amount. So I'm like, well, heck, I don't want to miss out on free crypto. And so I was trying to, both me and David were like, this seems way too good to be true. And $5,000, that's a lot of money to be sending to somebody who I don't exactly know. And I was really close to doing this, but I ended up going back to the YouTube channel and I refreshed the page. And as soon as I refreshed it, boom, the stream was gone. And then shortly after, CardanoBonus.org was taken down as well. And I realized it was a scam. So what happened here? How did they pull this off, and why is this scam so brilliant and so lethal? Because it almost got me. And guys, I used to be a private detective. I don't fall for scams very often. I don't know that I even ever have. But this one was real close to getting me. And thankfully, I started doing some due diligence. And once I saw that this live stream got canned and taken off, and they actually deleted the channel, I realized it was a scam. And so what happened here is, if you look at the bottom left here, it says Cardano ADA, 185,000 subscribers. What these folks are doing is that they are somehow getting access to a YouTube channel that already has 185,000 subscribers. Now, they could have set this up a couple years ago and slow played it and built it up, but I highly doubt it. You know, they could have made a bunch of fake subscribers. But most likely what they did is they hacked some account on YouTube that had 185,000 subscribers. They instantly changed the name of the channel to from whatever it was, to Cardano ADA, to make it look like something that Charles would be involved in. Then they also went back and they deleted all the old videos off the channel so that you couldn't see them. So from all glimpses of looking at this, it looks like a legit Cardano site or YouTube channel, and the site looks really nice as well. And so it's easy to see how somebody might fall for this, particularly when they have Charles going live and then surrounding all the chatter here with the details of the bonus. Now, the thing is, Charles wasn't actually live. What these scammers did is they just took an old video of him, repurposed it, ran it as if it were live, and surrounded everything on this page to make it look like it was him. And folks, this was brilliantly done. I made this video just to alert you, because this kind of scam goes on quite a bit nowadays because it's so effective. I've seen it being done with Elon Musk as well, and Dogecoin. And so anytime somebody is asking you to send them crypto and they say they're going to send you twice as much back, I would say 99.9% of the time it's a scam. Leaving a point 0.0000001, like a Shibu coin price chance, you know, a Dumb and Dumber type chance that maybe that kind of bonus could ever be real. But you know what, I don't think so. So
you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah!
I don't like to be pessimistic, to think everything that seems too good to be true isn't, but be careful. Never send your crypto to somebody who you don't know who you're sending to. Do your due diligence. Be safe out there. So remember the old golden age rule that if it seems too good to be true, then it probably is. And I use that word probably because I don't like to take it off the table that sometimes there are opportunities out there that seem way too good to be true, and they end up actually becoming true. So I don't want to totally dismiss that, but you always want to keep that in the back of your mind. If it seems too good to be true, do some further research. That further research is what saved me from sending these scammers $5,000. So hopefully this helps you out as you move forward in your crypto journeys.